Hi boys and girls, today we're going to work on number lines again, but by the end of this lesson you're going to be able to figure out what missing numbers are on a number line. Okay, so just to revise, this is a number line that we use in maths, but remember there are many other number lines that we use. Okay, so this one we can see says 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It's skip counting in twos, this one. So that means that there's a number in between each of these spaces here. So for example, we know that 3 would sit here and 5 would sit here, 7, 9, 11 and 13. So we know those numbers haven't been included on this number line. Okay, so you can see we have another number line here, but this time there's a number missing. So we have to figure out, well, what rule is this number line using, and then we can figure out what that missing number is. Okay, so I can see it's saying 2, then 4, then we've got 8, 10, 12, 14. Now if I was really stuck and I couldn't figure out the pattern, I could go to a number board and check. So I can see that it's got 2, then 4, then 8, 10, 12, 14. So from there I can see that it's skip counting in twos. So the missing number is actually 6, this one here. Okay, let's take a look at another one and apply what we've just learnt. Okay, so this one, it's saying 22, 23, then it's got 25, 26, 27, 28. Again, if I was really stuck, I could use a number board, but how about you pause it here and you see if you can figure it out. Okay, so if you were really stuck, you could use a number board. So it starts at 22. Remember that these arrows tell us that there's numbers going back this way as well. Then it said 23, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we can see that the missing one was 24. So we would write that in the box. Okay, let's take a look at one more example. First of all, I've got to figure out, well, what is this rule on this number line? So it's got 10, something, something, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now you may already be able to look at that and go, oh, I know what the pattern is, and figure out those two missing numbers. If not, remember we can use the support of a number board. So let's circle the numbers that we see. So it's got 10, then it misses 2, and then it goes 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh, so from this part here, I can see that it's skip counting in fives. So it started at 10. What would be the next number after 10 if I was skip counting in fives? 15. And the one after that would be 20. Well done. And that's how we figure out missing numbers on a number line. Okay guys, head on back over to the wiki, check out what your practice task is.